Lord, they're coming after me. Yeah, man. You know me like draw some songs and thing. Yeah, cause everything in life have a song. Remember me always tell you? Yep. Trust me. But interesting times ahead, you know. And the weather has been kind of strange. Cause every time there's problems, you know. Just like that night. You remember it started rain and lightning and thunder and I put it to sleep. Yeah, been rainy these last days. But I tell you, what is the storm that's coming? You would never believe who it is that I discover is responsible. And when I say responsible, I mean, I can't say it's him, but I can tell you, him know. Your good old Uncle David, man. Yeah, man.
Search what I tell you for them?
Yes, Bubbles, I'm look it up.
Alright, so what you find?
So what I get, Bubbles, is that Kumina come from the Congo region of Africa. Them have two main drum. One is called the plain cast and the other one is called the bando.
Alright, so you say it have two main drum. Where the bando play?
So the bando play the bass and the plain cast play the break.
See a laugh off your face. So say you do your research. Where in Jamaica is coming and mostly practice?
St. Thomas. And them do it at Portland and St. Mary too.
Alright, good job. Let's just say you're into it. More you continue doing your research on the dance thing, because you are going to be my main assistant.
Boop, boop, boop. Main assistant.
And no, don't even try to stop me when I'm saying what I'm saying. Because I know what I know. Uncle David, who used to hold you and throw you up in the air and all of this. Yep. Judas. Sell me out for less than 30 pieces of silver. I tell you. Yep. And you know the funny thing about it? The funny thing about it is, he knew. Yeah, man, him did know. Me I tell you, say him did know.
So, how is she?
She's nice, isn't sir?
Comfortable, isn't she?
Yeah. Took her out of town yesterday for the first time.
So tell me now, how was the ride?
Excellent, sir. Just like a new car. She just fly over the hill.
If only women could be as reliable as vehicles. You treat them well, you service them properly, and no trouble. Speaking of trouble, how is Destiny's mother?
Sir, let already just go and talk about the car. Because when you talk about unpredictable and unstable, I see that.
But truthfully, if you're going to be fair, you need to cut her a little slack. She got pregnant early. She was in a dilemma. In her mind, she couldn't afford to give you your child. And then it all mushroomed. And it has left its scars. So, let's be thankful that at least she is at the point where she is now. But she's going to be very sensitive. And being sensitive brings me to, how is this Patsy thing going?
Alright, sir. So you see with Patsy now? Tell you the truth, never see this coming. None at all.
I really don't think any of us saw that coming in or something. It's like a landslide. 1 minute it wasn't there, next minute it's there.
Well, I'm comfortable with her, even though she unfiltered at times. She good, she real. Yeah? She just had to tell you as it is.
What I need you to understand is that I'm not pride in your life, but it's a delicate balance between a good relationship and this work. You have to be very cautious that the two don't cross paths. Taking it back to you, your trouble abroad. You try to keep your burner phone sacrosanct, you hear? She mustn't have access to that at all. Matter of fact, I go for Patsy too.